Hi, I'm Veena. I'm an experiential learning specialist. When the library is open, you can usually find me at the Boombox and Lab. Today we'll explore hidden math in our environments. To start off, we'll be reading parts of The Math Curse by Jon Cheska and Lane Smith. This book was copyrighted by Viking Press in 1995. We'll pause the reading to explore a math challenge in our environment and see how the cursed math students fares towards the end of the book. Let's get started. On Monday, in math, Mrs. Fibonacci says, you can think of almost everything as a math problem. On Tuesday, I start having problems. I wake up at 7:15. It takes me 10 minutes to get dressed, 15 minutes to eat my breakfast, and 1 minute to brush my teeth. Suddenly, it's a problem. If my bus leaves at 8 o'clock, will I make it on time? How many minutes in an hour? How many teeth in one mouth? I look in my closet and the problems get worse. I have 1 white shirt, 3 blue shirts, 3 striped shirts, and that 1 ugly plaid shirt my Uncle Zeno sent me. How many shirts is that altogether? How many shirts would I have if I threw away that awful plaid shirt? When will Uncle Zeno quit sending me such ugly shirts? I'm getting a little worried. Everything seems to be a problem. I take the milk out for my cereal and wonder, how many quarts in a gallon? How many pints in a quart? How many inches in a foot? How many feet in a yard? How many yards in a neighborhood? How many inches in a pint? How many feet in my shoes? I don't even bother to take out the cereal. I don't want to know how many flakes in a bowl. Mrs. Fibonacci has obviously put a math curse on me. Everything I look at or think about has become a math problem. Well, Jon Cheska and Lane Smith really got us thinking about some real-life math curses. Do you think you can help solve them? The North Branch Chicago River is about 30 miles long. If 1 M&M is 1 centimeter and 10 M&Ms are 5 inches, how many M&Ms will it take to measure the North Branch River from start to end? If I eat the red M&Ms at a rate of 1 every 5 seconds, how many M&Ms will I have left by the end of this video? If I eat all the blue M&Ms, my tongue will turn blue. How many green M&Ms will it take to dye the Chicago River green for St. Patrick's Day? Who knew math could be so much fun? And now back to our cursed math student. I dream I'm trapped in a room with no doors and no windows. The room is covered with a lifetime of problems. I have only 1 piece of chalk. How do I get out? I'm about to give up and die. When the answer to my problems comes to me, fractions. I break the chalk in half. Then I put the 2 halves together. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole. I put the hole on the wall and jump out. I'm free! I wake up Wednesday morning at 7:15. It takes me 10 minutes to get dressed, 15 minutes to eat my breakfast, and 1 minute to brush my teeth. My bus leaves at 8 o'clock. What time will I be ready? 7:41. No problem. I've broken the math curse. I can solve any problem. And life is just great until science class, when Mr. Newton says, you can think of almost everything as a science experiment. Thanks for joining us today. Please check out Boombox at Home blog post on curses, crafts, and counting for more math inspiration and activities.